Imagine this. It's late, and you toss and turn in your bed, your mind racing. You've tried everything, herbal teas, relaxation techniques, counting sheep, but sleep remains elusive. You know your body needs rest, but it feels like you're trapped in an endless cycle of wakefulness. Does this sound familiar? What if the key to unlocking better sleep lies not in the number of hours you spend in bed, but in how you approach food and fasting? It might sound surprising, but the ancient practice of intermittent fasting could be the answer to your sleepless nights. This isn't just a trend or a quick fix. It's a biological transformation that taps into the deep, powerful systems of your body. What if you could harness this transformative process to not only improve your metabolism, but also restore your sleep and reclaim your nights of peaceful rest? Intermittent fasting isn't just a weight loss tool, it's a gateway to understanding how we sleep, heal, and ultimately thrive. To truly grasp the power of intermittent fasting on sleep, we must first understand how the body's complex systems of metabolism, hormonal balance, and cellular repair work together. But let's take a deeper dive into the science and see why this ancient practice may be exactly what your body has been craving. Sleep is one of our most vital biological processes. In fact, it's so crucial that we can't survive without it for more than a few days. But like all things in the human body, sleep wasn't designed to function in isolation. It's intricately tied to our biology, our evolution, and our primal needs. Historically, our ancestors didn't have the luxury of 3 square meals a day. Instead, they hunted, gathered, and fasted in between. Their bodies learned to adapt, using periods of fasting to heal, restore, and enhance performance, sleep included. Fast forward to modern society, and it seems we've lost touch with this innate rhythm. We eat constantly, grazing, throughout the day, and expect our bodies to function optimally without taking into account the ancient biological processes that govern us. Enter intermittent fasting, which allows us to tap into this evolutionary wisdom, giving our bodies the time they need to reset, heal, and, importantly, sleep deeply. To understand how intermittent fasting enhances sleep, we need to first look at the science of metabolic health. Metabolism is the engine that powers your body. It involves the conversion of food into energy, the management of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, and the regulation of insulin levels. But metabolic health goes beyond weight management. It's about keeping your body in a state of balance or homeostasis. When you eat frequently, your body is constantly dealing with fluctuations in insulin levels. Insulin is a hormone that helps store glucose in your cells for energy. But when you're eating too often, particularly high carbohydrate or sugary foods, your body becomes resistant to insulin. This means that glucose can't be effectively used for energy, leading to fat storage, higher blood sugar levels, and ultimately, a cascade of hormonal imbalances. These imbalances don't just affect your metabolism, they can directly impact your sleep. Intermittent fasting gives your body a chance to rest from constant insulin fluctuations. By fasting for periods throughout the day, your insulin levels drop, and your body is able to shift into a fat-burning mode. During this time, you not only lose excess fat but also allow your body to repair itself on a cellular level, leading to more restorative, deeper sleep at night. The connection between intermittent fasting and insulin sensitivity is vital, as it plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and promoting the hormonal balance necessary for quality sleep. Now, let's talk about fat burning. While intermittent fasting has become a popular method for weight loss, its effects go beyond just shedding pounds. It's about activating your body's natural fat-burning process, and surprisingly, this can influence your sleep in profound ways. When you fast, your body depletes its glycogen stores, the energy stored in your liver and muscles, and turns to fat as its primary energy source. This transition into fat-burning mode is known as ketosis. As your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for fuel, it produces ketones, molecules that fuel the brain and body. Ketones are especially important because they provide a clean, steady energy source to your brain. In fact, they're a more efficient energy source than glucose, leading to better cognitive function, mood stability, and, importantly, sleep. Research has shown that periods of fasting and ketosis help regulate circadian rhythms, your body's internal clock that controls when you sleep and wake. When your body is in fat-burning mode, your circadian rhythms become more synchronized, leading to deeper, more restful sleep. One of the most powerful ways intermittent fasting supports sleep is through its impact on hormones. Our hormones govern nearly every function in the body, including how we sleep. Cortisol, melatonin, and growth hormones all play a significant role in the sleep cycle, and intermittent fasting helps to balance these hormones. Cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone, and its levels are naturally higher during the day, peaking in the morning to help you wake up and stay alert. However, elevated cortisol levels at night, whether due to stress, poor diet, or lack of sleep, can disrupt your sleep cycle. By regulating insulin and reducing the frequency of meals, intermittent fasting helps reduce the levels of cortisol in your body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. On the other hand, fasting can increase melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep and wake cycles. When melatonin levels rise in the evening, it signals to your body that it's time to rest. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can boost melatonin levels, making it easier to fall into a deep, restful sleep. Growth hormones, which play a critical role in tissue repair, muscle growth, and overall healing, are also influenced by intermittent fasting. These hormones peak during the fasting period and continue to promote cellular repair throughout the night, ensuring that your body is in optimal recovery mode as you sleep. This not only helps with muscle repair but also encourages better skin health, mood stabilization, and, of course, sleep. Another critical aspect of the science behind intermittent fasting and sleep is autophagy. This process, often referred to as the body's cellular cleanup system, occurs during periods of fasting when your body starts to break down old, damaged cells and regenerate healthier ones. Autophagy is essential for maintaining cellular function and preventing diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. When you fast, your body enters a state of autophagy, allowing it to repair and regenerate cells. This process takes place most efficiently during sleep, as your body is not busy digesting food. By triggering autophagy through intermittent fasting, you're allowing your body to perform critical repairs during the night, optimizing the healing process and ensuring that you wake up feeling restored and rejuvenated. Autophagy also has an impact on the brain. By clearing out damaged cells, autophagy helps to maintain brain health, improving cognitive function, and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. This cleansing process contributes to better mental clarity and emotional well-being, which in turn enhances sleep quality. Your brain, like the rest of your body, needs rest, and it's during sleep that your brain consolidates memories, clears out toxins, and prepares for the next day. But the quality of your sleep plays a significant role in how well your brain functions. Intermittent fasting can support this process by promoting brain health through the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is a protein that supports the growth, development, and survival of brain cells. It helps to enhance memory, cognitive function, and mood. Fasting has been shown to increase BDNF levels, allowing your brain to function better during the day and recover more efficiently at night. This means that the quality of your sleep, aided by intermittent fasting, directly impacts your brain's ability to perform at its peak. The mental clarity you experience when you wake up after a good night's sleep is the result of this process. Your brain has undergone repair and rejuvenation, leading to better cognitive function, emotional stability, and focus throughout the day. By now, we've explored the many ways in which intermittent fasting supports restorative sleep, through metabolic health, fat burning, hormonal balance, autophagy, and brain function. But the true magic happens when all of these systems work together in harmony. Intermittent fasting is not just a tool for weight loss, it's a complete metabolic reset. When you fast, you give your body the time and resources it needs to repair, restore, and regenerate. Your hormones balance, your cells regenerate, your metabolism resets, and your brain clears the clutter. All of this culminates in a better night's sleep, where your body and mind can fully rest and recover, leading to a more energetic, focused, and healthier you. If you've been struggling with sleepless nights or simply want to optimize your rest, intermittent fasting could be the missing link in your journey to better sleep. It's not just about the hours you spend in bed. It's about how your body functions on a deeper level, transforming your sleep from a shallow, restless experience into a deep, restorative journey. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into how you can transform your health through science-based strategies. Now that you understand the profound effects of intermittent fasting on sleep, it's time to take action. Your body is capable of extraordinary things when you give it the tools it needs. Reclaim your nights of restful sleep and take control of your metabolic health. Check out the link to the ebook in the description and start your journey towards a healthier, more balanced life today. Your best nights of sleep are just around the corner. It's time to unlock the power of intermittent fasting and awaken to the life you deserve.